You can make your own effective hand sanitizer using essential oils and natural ingredients in just a couple of minutes. Hi, I'm Katie Veldkamp, co-founder of Simply Earth, and I love teaching people how to make their own products that they can use every day in their homes using natural ingredients. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can make your own hand sanitizer and customize it with essential oils. Hand sanitizers are alcohol-based products that need to be at least 60% alcohol to kill germs. For the alcohol in this recipe, we'll be using Simply Earth's Perfumer's alcohol. This will function not only as our sanitizer, but as our preservative, and it will solubilize essential oils. I love using Perfumer's alcohol in my hand sanitizing recipes because it doesn't have a strong, overwhelming alcohol aroma. It's also 95% alcohol, which makes it easy to work with. Turn off distractions, making is healing. Let's make this customizable essential oil hand sanitizer recipe together. Before I tell you what you need, I just want to make sure you know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it super easy to make your own natural products. This recipe comes from the Essential Oil Hero course, which you can get free access to with a subscription to our Essential Oil Recipe Box. The Essential Oil Recipe Box gives you recipes, ingredients, and essential oils delivered straight to your door each month. You can find the ingredients I'm using for this recipe at simplyearth.com. For this recipe, you will want a 2-ounce spray bottle. This hand sanitizer recipe is a sprayable consistency. You'll need 1.5 tablespoons of Simply Earth's Perfumer's alcohol. This is going to make our hand sanitizing recipe to be about 70% alcohol at the end. You also need 2 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin is soothing to the skin. It's a natural humectant. It's going to draw water from the air to your skin to help moisturize it. It also adds a gloopy feeling to our hand sanitizer. You're also going to want 1 teaspoon of aloe vera. Simply Earth's aloe vera is quite thin and liquidy, which works really well in this sprayable recipe. For a more gel-like hand sanitizer, you can use a thicker aloe vera. And last but not least, you will want 12 drops of essential oil. I'm going to be using Simply Earth's Unicorn Blend, but you can use any essential oils that you would like. Stick with essential oils that are going to be soothing and calming to the skin and away from spicy oils that can be irritating to the skin. Some examples of spicy, irritating oils are cassia, cinnamon, thyme, and oregano. Some examples of soothing oils that would be great for this hand sanitizing recipes is this unicorn blend, lavender, marjoram, palmarosa, lemon, orange, sandalwood. Those are all great options for making this hand sanitizing recipe. I'm going to start by adding my essential oils to a small container. Essential oils in this recipe mostly have benefits of their aroma and being soothing. Since the alcohol in this recipe is killing all the germs, we don't need the essential oils for their natural cleansing properties. We're mostly going to be using them for their smell and for their soothing benefits. I'm also going to be adding my 1.5 tablespoons of Perfumer's alcohol. You'll notice that the alcohol gets tinted with the color of the essential oils. The essential oil is going to be solubilized throughout the alcohol. So the essential oil is going to be diluted in the Perfumer's alcohol. I'm going to swirl it to make sure the essential oils are fully solubilized in the alcohol before I add my other ingredients. Next, I'll add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera, which is naturally cooling and soothing to the skin. And now I will add 2 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin. I'll stir it together. You'll notice that it went cloudy when I added the aloe vera, and that's just the solubilizing reaction with the aloe and the alcohol. Over time, your hand sanitizer will get clearer. Now I'll pour my hand sanitizer into my spray bottle. And it's done. You can make your own sprayable hand sanitizer in just a couple minutes. Its 1-ounce size is a nice size to keep in your purse or in your car so that you have your hand sanitizer whenever you need it. To use it, just spray on your hands. You can also spray this on surfaces like across your shopping cart. Keep in mind that sanitizing products work best on clean hands. They don't work well on surfaces or hands that have a lot of dirt or oil on them, and it doesn't replace washing your hands with soap and water. I love to see your creations on social media, so when you make your own hand sanitizing recipes using essential oils, share it on Facebook. Make sure to include what essential oils you put in your hand sanitizing recipe, and use hashtag I made this and tag from Simply Earth. We have a hashtag I made this contest where if you share a post on social media with what you've made with those tags, you can be entered in to win a $5 gift card. You can learn more about this contest in the description below. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any amazing natural recipes just like this one. Smells so good and feels so good on my hands.